welcome back. An Indiana mother spent 17 years in prison, wrongfully convicted of a fire that killed her 3-year-old son. Now the state of Indiana is set to financially compensate Christine Bunch. A Jackson County judge says there is clear and convincing evidence that Bunch was innocent all along. This morning, Christine and attorney Fran Watson joins us this morning with more. Good morning, ladies. Christine, I want to start with you and just tell you, first of all, how sorry I am. I cannot imagine losing a child in the way that you did and then sitting in prison wrongfully accused in the death for 17 years. How do you feel today knowing that finally someone is saying, okay, we were wrong and you're being compensated for it?
I think that means more to me than the compensation. You just want that acknowledgement that something wrong happened here and that somebody else sees it.
How do you explain what it was like for those 17 years of trying to get someone to hear you, knowing that it came out that 2 investigators fabricated evidence against you? What is that like to try to fight all those years and to not give up?
It's, a very hard process. So anybody that's going through it can tell you our innocence projects are overrun with people saying they're innocent, that there's new evidence, that there's things to be tested. So it's a long process, and I was blessed. I had people that reached out to attorneys for me, and they saw my truth and took my case. That doesn't happen often enough, because there just aren't enough attorneys that are willing to take a chance.
One of those is Fran, that's your attorney, and she basically runs, it has a different name, but you mentioned the Innocence Project. She basically runs an institute like that here in Indianapolis through IUPUI. Fran, tell me a little bit about the applicants. Only 3 so far have been compensated in this way.
Yes, and there are a number of other applications pending. We should note that Christine was represented in her post-conviction proceeding by Northwestern School of Law, the Bloom Legal Clinic, and 2 great ladies, Karen Daniels, Jane Rayleigh, and a man, Ron Schaefer. And that was her legal team. I got involved at the compensation stage. So the wrongful conviction clinic here at IU McKinney had a hand in getting the compensation legislation passed, and I've certainly been aware of Christine's case throughout and worked with her lawyers whenever I could to be helpful.
We're going to run out of time, but I do want to put up some information too, Fran. Sorry, I thought you were finished with your sentence there. There are places that people can go to get help. And Christy, I know it's important for you to be able to help others. I want to put those up on the screen because there are eligibility requirements, and then there are places that they can go to apply. That's the information there. Fran, really quickly, how does someone that's watching apply for this kind of compensation or get help from someone like yourself?
So if you're in Indiana, call the IU McKinney Wrongful Conviction Clinic. And the place to look for those phone numbers is under the Innocence Network. That's the umbrella organization for all of the entities, be they law schools or public defender agencies that have do innocence work, that represent people in prison claiming actual innocent wrongful conviction.
We're out of time, Christy, but I know that you had another child to just after you were put in prison, and I just want you to know that our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family, and we're glad now that you can at least have the acknowledgement that the state was wrong.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.